www.vnsgu.unionline.in. Please enter username as SPID and password as your mobile number. Please click on Active button and select your respective test using filter, faculty and program. Please click on Login button. Please click on Defer Face Recognition and continue to exam. Your exam starts now. Your exam timer is on top right of page. On top left of page, your name and SPID is displayed. Question and its options are displayed in the middle of page. At bottom left of page, 3 buttons, question, bookmark and invalid. On click of question button, list of question number with its selected options are displayed. Your option for question will be captured after clicking on radio button. Selected option for respective question is displayed on top of page in green notification bar. Bookmark button used as marker, used to review question later. For navigation buttons at bottom center of page, first, next, last, previous, used to navigate through questions. At bottom right of page, 2 buttons, clear and submit. Clear is used to clear the selection of option and submit button is used to submit the test. If you try to use another application, system will give browser out of focus warning and same will be recorded for further action. After submission of exam you will get summary page. Thanks for watching video.